Severe weather alert, pinpoint weather 12. Meteorologist Michelle Muscatello here. We've got some new updates on our watches and warnings. A hurricane warning now in effect for southern Rhode Island, southern Connecticut, eastern Long Island, and Block Island, and the water surrounding those areas, as well as Hurricane Henri makes its way northward. Yeah, it strengthened to a hurricane late this morning with 75-mile-per-hour sustained winds. It's moving north at 14 miles per hour. The forecast track still has it strengthening through the day today and into tomorrow morning with 80-mile-per-hour sustained winds forecast at 8 o'clock in the morning as it bears down over Long Island or even into Rhode Island's waters. We are expecting to see near hurricane conditions, gradual weakening. This thing is going to be moving very slowly as it lifts over Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and then eventually slowly exits through central or northern New England. So for us, we're going to still have some time to prepare through the rest of this afternoon and this evening. Tonight, the first bands of rain and gusty winds will likely be developing after midnight along the coastline, then spreading inland. We've got a high impact weather day for Sunday. Rain, wind, storm surge, power outages likely, rainfall, flooding a possibility, and that'll continue into Sunday night. Lingering showers on Monday too. So this is the trouble with this storm. Look how slowly it's moving. This is 8 a.m. on Sunday morning. 12 hours later at 8 p.m. it's still potentially in the southern half of Connecticut or Rhode Island, and then 8 o'clock on Monday morning it is still expected to be in western Massachusetts. So that's going to lead us through potentially several high tide cycles with potential storm surge flooding. That goes into effect now and is lasting until Tuesday morning. So we've got the high tide cycle both Sunday morning and especially Sunday evening to be concerned about for significant flooding. We're at an astronomical high tide with a full moon. We also have a flood watch that's been issued for Rhode Island. That's in effect until 8 a.m. on Monday morning. The potential is there for several inches of rain and even isolated higher amounts from Henri. And we'll show you the latest forecast track here. This is 11 o'clock at night. Notice again those bands of rain starting to develop by early Sunday morning with conditions going downhill through the day, and Sunday evening looking quite stormy for us with heavy rain, damaging wind gusts continuing again into the night. So some of the highest wind gusts will be along the coastline. Hurricane force wind gusts a possibility with even still some strong winds further inland. Tropical storm force winds have the potential to knock out power. It won't take much. The ground is very saturated. We have all our leaves on our trees, and that could make us prone to more wind damage. So looking at our rainfall forecast, very much on the edge of the heaviest of the rainfall. If this were to track a little bit further east, more of Rhode Island would have the potential for those higher totals. Storm surge, so 3 to 5 foot storm surge. That is significant for the coastline, Narragansett Bay, and parts of Buzzards Bay too. With this track, again, slowly moving to the east of us, we will be prone to that inundation from ocean water with the crashing waves on top of that. You want to download the WPRI Pinpoint Weather 12 app. You can scan the barcode that you see right here on your screen. We'll be sending out alerts and the latest data and forecast as information comes in throughout the day and, of course, throughout the duration of this storm.